What are you up to, Tegan?
I'm watching YouTube, and I've just been very inspired, challenged by Mr. RJ Agria from the Not Adam channel, who has just done the 4 litre challenge, which is going 24 hours with 4 litres of water for everything. So, drinking, washing, food prep, all of that kind of stuff. And I think I'm pretty good at water conservation. So, I would like to see how I measure up in terms of temptations to use more water than I should. So from now, which is 3 p.m. on a Saturday, and 24 hours from now, I'm going to see how my water measurement and water usage stacks up against his. And this isn't a competition to see who can use the least, but it's about becoming conscious of how much water we do use on a day-to-day basis. So, Ashley, are you going to help me to get set up?
I can help you with that, I think.
Okay, so I'll do you an update later.
Okay, so this was all very last minute, hence the very interesting mixture of bottles. So we've got a 2 litre bottle here, 1.25, 750ml, so we're going to need another 100ml, which I'm just going to put in this jug, and hopefully that'll add up to the 4 litres. Taking lots of cup of tea, so we've got to try and use as less water as we can, but the jug, you need to have a certain amount of water in it for it to boil, so I think I'm just going to heat it up in the microwave and see how that goes. So just did the water in the microwave for about 80 seconds and it is boiling. There, add our honey and our tea bag. We're good to go. There we go. Perfect cup of tea.
Okay, so it's dinner time and we've made soup. It's spinach and cauliflower curry soup, which has a tomato coconut milk and only 750 ml of water. So we've worked out that for my serving soup, I have used 83 ml of water, so that would be subtracted of my total of 4 litres.
Okay, so I've taken the 83 ml out of the bottle, so this is what I've got left. It's a pretty good effort so far of our, what's the time? It's almost 8 o'clock. So, been doing pretty well, only taken that much out, but the only issue now is Tegan wants a cup of tea, hot water bottle, and we've got to clean the dishes from dinner, so I'm going to boil the jug and see how much water it takes us to do those 3 things. So I think I'm going to fill the jug up and then we can use it for a cup of tea in the morning as well, if there's some left over. Goodbye, water. I think that's a pretty good job. And we've still got probably, maybe Maybe enough water left over for a Milo in the morning.
So this is Tegan's current water status right now. She's doing pretty well, but this morning we're going to need to wash this mask, which she needs to use at night with her oxygen machine, and I'll be making her a little hot drink for her breakfast. And that is with a tiny little bit of water left in this from yesterday. And yeah, so far so good.
Okay, these are my dirty dishes from today. We aren't very far away from my finish line time, and this is how much water I have left. It's been a pretty chill day, so I haven't used an awful lot yet, and we will show you how much I've used once I've done the dishes. How much water I have left so far, and we're going to do the dishes in 3, 2, 1. So these are the dishes now clean. And this is how much water I have left. So that is about 1 litre, or a little bit less than 1 litre. And I have completely emptied the other 2 bottles. So that was 24 hours, being very careful with water. I didn't really wash today because it's the weekend and I'm lazy and, you know, just going with it. If I had to wash, I probably would have used pretty much all of the rest of that water. So this has been a really interesting experience. I think it's kind of good to bring awareness to how much water you can use, especially when you're not thinking about it. So even if you don't use just 4 litres a day, which I mean for most people it's not practical, it's good to kind of do this and to kind of be aware. So I hope that anybody of you out there will have a go at this just to see what the experience is like and to understand what it's like for people who don't have easy access to clean water. I'll see you guys next time, and if you like this video, click the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already.